Did things get out of control? Yeah, absolutely. I mean, you put 6 of the sickest minds together, what do you think's gonna happen?
This is for all the bad memes, Beckerman.
Today, we're about to take those wheels.
When I got to work and my prized possession, my 17-inch OZ Fittipaldis that I literally had built to my perfect specs, were gone.
Something inside of him just snapped. He was just dead set on revenge.
Something inside Evan, man. I mean, he just took things to another level. It was absolutely scary to watch.
To actually be able to go and kind of with them now. This is gonna be fun.
Try to get some cinematics of Daniel really stroking the shaft. You're welcome, Calvin and TJ. Don't hate me. You can hate me a little bit, I don't care.
Bad idea.
Alex, I have to, man. They stole my wheels, dude.
Getting out of control, and we've never seen you like this, man.
Every person that sees the Johnson on the car, I know that hurts Calvin a little bit more.
5-year-old grandson that's
I had my kids in the car. My 4-year-old yelled out pee-pee, and I looked to my right and there was a giant.
We just passed a grandma who got so offended.
Calvin and TJ stealing my wheels. Shouldn't have done that.
You guys both come over here. We got a really cool surprise for you guys.
Wait. Oh my God! That's bad, that's not okay! What?
I thought we were gonna get busted so many times.
The detail.
You do realize what this means, right? This means we're all susceptible now.
Dude, took it too far.
That didn't go as planned.
No, I mean, the funny thing about revenge, like, when does this end?
I don't know, but if you want to find out, you better subscribe.